Here at the Meemic Academy, our goal is to keep you safe by helping you prepare for the hazards of life. Did you know more than 70% of the planet is underwater? Maybe we shouldn't be surprised that flooding causes more than $270 million in property damage each year in the US. To help you prepare, here's Jeff, the head of Meemic Academy's Claims Education, to field some member questions on flood safety.
Hello, and welcome to the Meemic Academy Online. Today's edition, flood safety. Let's go ahead and take some questions. The first question comes to us from @Noah715. How does water get into a house during a flood? Well, that's a great question, Noah. Believe it or not, water will always follow the path of least resistance and find a way into your home. But fear not, there's a few things that you can do to prevent this from occurring. First, check your basement for cracks big and small and fill them quickly. Also, remember to check your gutters regularly for any obstructions and clean out the debris. Speaking of gutters, make sure your downspouts are pointed away from your house and not towards it. And lastly, check to see if you have a sewer check valve. This is a one-way valve that prevents the backflow of water from the sewer into your basement. If you don't have one, contact a professional today to have one installed. Let's take another question. @MPhelps28 writes, can I stay in my house during a flood? Probably not a good idea. Never underestimate the power of a flood. There are a couple things that you can do to prepare your house in the event of a flood. First, make sure to turn off the electricity at the breaker box. Next, turn off the gas at the gas main. Be sure to elevate appliances to avoid damage. And lastly, move valuables to a higher level to also prevent damage from the floodwaters. Well, this must be a popular topic. We have another question. @SmartyPants writes, wait, if I turn off my electricity, how will my sump pump work? Well, that's a very good question, SmartyPants. My recommendation is this. Install a water-powered sump pump. For those of you who don't know what this is a sump pump that operates off your household plumbing. And best of all, it requires zero electricity to operate. Oh, and one more thing, and this is really, really important. If you have a water heater, or if in that rare instance you still have a fuel tank in your basement, be sure to anchor it to the floor using bolts and brackets. This will prevent it from moving during a flood. And that's all the time we have today for questions. Thanks so much. And remember, as my 4th grade teacher at Roosevelt Elementary used to say, if you fail to prepare, you're prepared to fail.
For more safety information, contact your local Meemic agent or visit meemic.com/safety.